Hi, my name is Steven from the Technical Service Window, and today I'm going to walk you through how to attach and use various accessories for the 6K Pro Blackmagic camera. The 6K Pro battery grip, the Pro electronic viewfinder, and the 6K Pro sun hood. First, we'll go over the 6K Pro battery grip. The battery grip provides additional power to the Blackmagic, extending its battery life. When renting out the battery grip, a TSW representative will remove the bottom plate where the battery grip and camera connect, so you don't need to worry about this part. To set it up, we need to place the additional battery packs into the battery grip. First, we need to open the battery compartment. Start by unlocking the panel found on the side of the grip by pulling it out, then turning it counterclockwise. This will open the compartment and allow you to slip it out from the battery grip. Simply align the batteries with the connections of the battery pack and slide them in place. You will hear a click when it connects. When you are done, just slide the compartment back into the battery grip and lock it. Just turn the side panel back to its original place. And now we will attach the battery grip to the Blackmagic. Connect the screw located on the battery pack to the bottom screw hole of the Blackmagic. Spin the plate on the front of the battery grip to screw it with the Blackmagic until it's in place. Now the battery grip is all ready for use. Simply turn on the camera and you will see on the screen the extended battery life on the camera screen. With the battery grip attached, you can still have the main battery inside the Blackmagic. So in total, you're able to use all three Blackmagic batteries at the same time. Now we will attach the viewfinder. First, you need to detach the viewfinder cover located on the top of the Blackmagic. You will need to use a tool like a screwdriver to twist off the cover. After detaching the cover, you can now take out the viewfinder outside the box. Position the viewfinder over the viewfinder port on the camera. Align the screws on the viewfinder with the port's threaded holes. Lift up the head of the viewfinder so that the circle plate located at the base of the viewfinder is visible. Screw the viewfinder into place by turning the circle plate clockwise until it's attached. The viewfinder comes with different eye supports that you can switch. To attach one, just align the support with the viewfinder eye. To detach them, gently lift up, then pull them away from the viewfinder. Now we will go over the sun hood and its setup. After taking it out of the box, position the sun hood so that it looks like this. Then you will hold the sun hood above the Blackmagic screen and then slide the Velcro straps down behind the screen. You will then see the Velcro straps pop out from the bottom of the screen. Then simply strap on the Velcro together. To take off the sun hood, simply unstrap the Velcro from both sides and then slide the sun hood up to remove it. And there you have it, the Blackmagic accessories available at the Technical Service Window. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we will be happy to help.